Now that you know what spray foam is and where it works the best, let's make sure that you're fully prepared before the job begins. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to plan your project like a pro so you can get clean, effective results on the very first try. The first step is going to be figuring out how much space you're insulating and how much foam you're going to need to cover it. Measure the length by the height or width of each wall, ceiling, or surface that you want to spray. Multiply those numbers to get the square feet. Next, decide how thick you want to apply the foam. For example, 1 inch thick is 1 board foot per square foot. Multiplying that square footage from the first step by the thickness in inches in the second step will give you the total board feet that you're going to need. Each can of BEEST FullStop spray foam covers up to 20 square feet at 1 inch thickness. So if you need to cover 200 board feet, you'll need roughly 10 cans. The pro tip is to always round up by 10 or 20% to account for waste, uneven surfaces, or necessary touch-ups. In addition to your BEEST FullStop kit, here are a few things to gather before spraying. Prep supplies checklist. Drop cloths or plastic sheets, painter's tape, utility knife, measuring tape, gloves, mask, goggles, the PPE is included in your kit, a ladder or a step stool, extra lighting if space is dim, trash bag for empty cans, and the foam gun. Getting everything prepped now is going to save you time and foam later. Foam chemistry depends on temperature and humidity, so prepping the space is just as important as prepping your gear. For ideal conditions, the ambient temperature needs to be between 60 degrees Fahrenheit and 86 degrees Fahrenheit. The can temperature before use should be 68 degrees Fahrenheit to 77 degrees Fahrenheit. Clean surfaces are key. No dust, no grease. And the humidity should be under 50% if possible. If it's cold, bring the cans indoors the night before. Never spray foam that's too cold or too hot. It won't expand or cure properly. Here are the biggest mistakes that first-timers make and how to avoid them. Mistake number 1, underestimating the foam needs. Calculate board feet carefully and buy extra cans to avoid running out mid-project. Mistake number 2, spraying without surface prep. Be sure and clean all surfaces of dust and oil. Foam sticks best to clean, dry materials. Mistake number 3, poor ventilation plan. Open windows or doors. Set up a fan blowing outward. Always ventilate well during and after spraying. Mistake number 4, skipping a dry run. Always shake the can and test spray into a box before starting the real job. With your space prep, your supplies ready, and your foam needs calculated, you're now ready to spray. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to suit up, test your spray pattern, and apply your first layer like a pro. Next up, let's spray, practice technique, and first pass. Video 3 of the DIY Spray Foam Mastery series.